Hey, it's Katie with WTI, and sheet changing day is probably the only time you're ever going to be able to see my son's bed underneath all of the stuffed animals he sleeps with. Speaking of changing sheets, that job has gotten so much easier since we got these sheets from CGK Unlimited. Why, you may ask? How could it be any easier? Well, they have a handy little tag on the fitted sheet that says top or bottom, which is great for my 10-year-old son because, man, he gets frustrated putting sheets on his bed. I love this deep, rich charcoal color, and this is after I've washed it, it still stays this beautiful looking. The embroidery on the pillowcase is not too fancy. It's just right for a young boy to give it a nice little accent. These sheets are really soft and cozy, and you can just slide right into bed with them. I also hate when the sheets are hard to get on because the pockets aren't deep enough. These pockets are nice and deep and fit the bed wonderfully. I've been nothing but happy with this brand, and my son has been sleeping nice and cozy. And that's our point of view.